Not original. What we have here, not original. Don't have any original letter here. Okay, it's okay. You don't have the original?
My lord, you asked for originals upon filing the copy.
They are certified. I don't see the one to Wakaima.
My lord, there is a letter from PES forwarding the original letters.
This is Chibumbi, right? We don't have the original. Just not just.
My lord, we can find another copy.
I don't have Wakaima Soke's letter.
We shall hand them over as we proceed. My lord, further particulars will be supplied. But all I remember, my colleague...
And the letter you're talking about forwarding the originals, do you have it? Because when you file a letter, you keep a copy. Can you have that copy at least?
We are going to provide particulars, my lord.
No, the letter you brought to court.
Our colleague, George C.
Sorry? Let's not play around. This application has been pending since beginning, like March, April, and you're telling me that you haven't kept your records? Let's not have games. Yeah?
You know, my lord, one copy was provided.
I don't have a letter for introducing the first surety. I've only seen, I don't have it on file. Because even as you file, you keep copies for yourself, even if they are photocopies. And this provide me the photocopy of the letter that you kept as counsel. And even that letter you're talking about, counsel, you're just coming up with new things to tell court. You don't have that letter. We've had this surety since when did you apply for this bill? And you don't have a letter until now.
Let's move to the second.
You can move to the second because even two are enough. I would fix. I don't know why you insist on parading so many people who don't have documentation.
My lord, I know for a fact that...
I will have it here, and you as counsel, it is in order that you keep a copy for yourself. Because as you allege that we have the original, at least you hand us the photocopy on which you counsel, for guidance, we can drop that surety and go ahead with those that have the still okay.
Bro, my lord, I believe we can find it somewhere.
You're wasting court's time. This is not the only thing we are handling today.
I'm obliged.
There are people, there are prisoners waiting. Yeah, we can go to the second one or drop that one or replace them. Yes. You don't need many. It's like people are just insisting to be on record even when it's not necessary because they'll be prepared with the documents.
Yeah. Well, my lord, I'll substitute that one with the.
So we are saying, we are dropping Wakaima Musoke for lack of letter from the LC. Yeah? Can we go to the next surety for purposes of time? The second surety is who?
We have Nabukenya Madina.
You are still dropping that. I have Namayanja. Talk about the ones on record.
My lord, the
Are
ones
we
on...
keeping? We are dropping Musoke. Can we have some order? We have Namayanja. We have Norman Kabogoza. You either proceed with Namayanja or Kabogoza or tell me that even Namayanja has been replaced.
My lord, we are certain. My learned colleague George Musi has the file, and
the surety is on file.
yes.
First of all, we are done with Musoke. Can we go to Namayanja? Whether they have an ID, whether they have a letter of the LC, then we decide whether we are dropping them or not. Then we say Norman Kabogoza. They have an original ID. As simple as that.
My lord, I think it's in the interest of justice. Let's stand up.
No. You know the pressure we've been under. We fix this case in the nearest time possible so that we go ahead with other matters. So you can't tell me we are going to stand up. There's so many people here. There's so many people you can replace them with. You do not have to insist on people that don't have documents. And this application has been pending for a long time. I'm not going to stand it off. No, we are finishing with A1. We are finishing with A1. You filed an application, you put documents.
My lord,
the best we can do is replace or substitute.
My lord, all those sureties, originals, we seek leave.
So can we go to Namayanja Florence? What does she have? What is your submission on Namayanja?
The Honorable Namayanja.
Does she have an ID? Does she have a letter introducing her?
My lord, the issue is on the letters which were filed.
So we are saying all the three are dropped for lack of letters.
Letters.
And we are substituting them with the following. Can you give us the list? Yeah?
We have Nabukenya Madina.
Ebitera okwefunya ebifo nga tebirina na bbaluwa kyokka biza okweyimirira.
Okay, now Nabukenya. Can we have Nabukenya at the front?
Nabukenya asembere. Wekuba asembere.
She's coming, my lord.
Mr. Kabogoza, you can sit and have the three that are substituting.
Then we have the Honorable Serukenya David.
Yes, please.
Number 2.
Can I have Nabukenya who? Can I have the ID for Nabukenya?
Nabukenya Madina.
Nabukenya Madina. Can I have a letter?
Bonna bannaffe kuliko alina bbaluwa nze bano sibalaba.